Hey friends, so this is just going to be a short video. Actually, I was just doing my lawn mowing and my thoughts were going on, and I was like, I have to share this. Um, I was thinking that what is the main reason that most of us are unhappy or not content with our lives? And immediately, one of the reasons that popped up, the first one is comparison. That we always try to judge our success in life or our position in life or whatever we have achieved in life in comparison to something, in comparison to what someone else has achieved. Yeah, sorry, so I had to cut the recording because the landscaper from our neighbor came in and that was making too much of a noise. I had to come on the other side. I'll try and edit the videos and join them. Alright, so I was saying that what is the main reason that we are so unhappy? Why do we get dissatisfied all the time, or we always have something to complain? And as soon as I started thinking about this, the main thought that came to my mind was that comparison in relation to something. Like a simple question, if anybody asked, are you rich or poor, are you fat or thin, immediately the answer would be, you cannot answer unless you have some standard in mind and you compare it with that standard. A person who is 5'8" and 200 pounds will say, I am fat. Yeah, I'm fat because my friend who is 5'7" or 5'8" is only 160 pounds. Similarly, if you are rich or poor, also you compare yourself to the top 50 people of the Forbes list, the richest people in the world, and you are poor. You're living in total poverty compared to them. And you compare yourself to the kids living back in Africa and Asia and Tanzania, and where people are, or kids or even their parents are hardly getting anything to eat. Then you are pretty rich. Like I was listening and researching all the time in that I don't know who said that, maybe it was Tony Robbins, but he said that if you are even under the poverty line and living in the United States, then you are among the top 1% of the population of the world, which means you are extremely well off, and yet by American standards you are extremely poor. Now this is a very good example. And then I had another thought in my mind which said that, let's say two friends are traveling. One is traveling from New York to California, and another one is traveling from New York to UK. Both are going by plane. They have booked their flight tickets and they start going. Let's say they can keep in touch. Are they once they are both in the flight, are they going to start comparing that I have reached 400 miles from here, 300 miles from here? Have you reached 300 miles from here? When two cars are going parallel on the same highway or the throughway and they start racing each other, that's a different thing. But two people going in two different directions, is there any comparison? No, right? Similarly, each of us is on our own personal journey. What is my journey is not yours. What is your journey is not even your kids, not even your wives. Each and every one of us has a journey of our own. So stop comparing and you will be gifting yourself. You will be giving yourself the most awesomest of gifts. In your mind, every time you put up a standard, stop and think, do I need to put this standard and compare? Enjoy your journey. That's what I wanted to share today. Alright? I love you. Thank you so much for listening to this video. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. Forgive you and I love you. God bless. Until again.